Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the solution of x. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to put about the domain in here. We know that this one should be equal, this one should be greater than number 0, and this one should be greater than number 0. So in this case, I will put about x is greater than number 0. Next, we have the formula. That's about ln a plus ln b equals to ln of a multiplied by b. So this one, we combine two laws together, and you will got about log of x multiplied by x plus 3. And number 1, we can change into log of e, because log of e you got about 1. And then we have this one equals to number e. And then we have x multiplied by s and number 3. And now we need to find the solution of this one. So we have two solutions in here. We know that this one is smaller than number 0. So that means we need to reject. This one is about positive, because the domain we need to find is about x is greater than number 0. So we need to accept. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.